What I've learned about happiness is that happiness is the byproduct of a life of purpose and meaning. And before recovery, I used to try to generate happiness through pleasure-seeking life, alcohol, drugs. Oh, that was loud. Alcohol, drugs, parties, fun. What I just would describe as fun. Now today, happiness is like a feeling of feeling proud of myself for the things that I've worked hard to achieve and feeling the byproduct of just the satisfaction that comes from reaching my goals. Today I am having lunch with my three children, and I went through a lot of stuff raising my three kids, and nothing for me was more challenging than being a mother. And nothing is more rewarding and satisfying and just brings me so much joy and happiness than my children. So I guess my message today is if you're struggling with feeling happy or you wish you felt happier, maybe don't look for happiness, but look for purpose, look for meaning, look for a way to use your gifts to help other people. And a byproduct of that will be happiness. So that's my little message today. And I guess one thing that's making me feel happy is that I've been consistent with these videos for I think this is day 4. And I really struggle with consistency. So that makes me feel happy. And so if you want, you could hit like if you like recovery. How about that? So I'm not very good at the marketing, but I'll learn as I go. Have a great day and peace.